everyone, it's Marty here and back to another videos here on YouTube. And we would like also to greet you a Happy New Year. So to lahat ng mga subscribers natin here on YouTube. Ayan, so medyo matagal-tagal na din hindi tayo nakapag-upload here. And I just want to let you know that active pa yung YouTubes natin as of now. So, but continuous pa rin yung advocacy natin with the animals and to expand more sa advocacies natin. So as of now we're traveling to going to North, and syempre we would like to update you sa mga nasa Facebook din. And ayan, so nagpapasalamat din tayo sa mga followers natin on Facebook by following us on Marty Travel Diaries and sa Kapas, and also our local pages. And ayan, so aside from that, so growing pa rin po yung TikTok natin. You can follow us on TikTok. Yan, so we have, I think that's 48,000 followers na tayo ngayon sa TikTok. So ayan, so but you can check also the showcase. May mga yellow basket tayo dun sa TikTok. Pwede po kayong mag-add to cart doon. And aside from that, we would like also to invite you sa mga upcoming events namin this coming February 13 to 15 for the Philippine International Hot Air Balloon, and also happening right this week ng Sinulog Festival 2026, Viva Pit Senior, and currently happening naman ongoing ang ating translasyon for the Nazareno. So by next week meron namang Kaisa Festival here in Tarlac City also. Tapos next yan is Panagbenga. So ang daming festivals from January. January is the festival month ng Philippines. So if any one of you sa mga pumupunta ng mga festival, you can check yung mga pages na may mga travel guide na din sa mga festivals. And aside from that, you can also check yung mga tourism pages, mga guidelines ng mga festivals. But I guarantee you sa Sinulog sobrang fully book na sila niyan. And don't forget to book Cebu Pacific by flying, going to Cebu, going to Dinagyang Festival, and Manila to flight Clark, via Clark or via Manila. Ayan, so continuous pa rin naman tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman. So just any brand pa rin, nagko-collab pa rin tayo with the brands, with the food, restaurants reviews, ganyan. So ayan, so 13 million total contribution views na tayo sa Google Local Guide. Ayan, so follow me din doon sa Google Local Guide. So lahat na napupuntahan natin mga kainan, places, so ina-add ko po doon, and the reviews makikita niyo po sila doon. But yun lang, this is a short update, and we'll see you for another next travel video. And i-upload ko yung Sinulog highlights ko 2025. But si Panagbenga, pinag-iisip pa namin na if we join the Panagbenga Festival. But we will be joined sa Philippine International Hot Air Balloon happening at the New Clark City sa Kapas, Tarlac po yun. So 13, 14, 15, that's 3 days event. Sobrang ganda nun, sobrang saya witnessing the hot air balloon comes from the different country. So ang daming pilot na galing Netherlands, UK, Sweden, Brazil. Ayan, so makikita nyo iba-ibang mga hot air balloons. So yun lang, maraming salamat. Thank you for always supporting the Marty Travel Diaries page and Travel with Marty PH. So bye-bye!